making the butterfly, I will be using 2 colors of 5-ply yarn, scissor and 3 mm hook. I will start by making a magic circle. So take the yarn and wrap it around these 2 fingers, hold it from the cross point, remove this from the fingers and take the hook, insert the hook, bring the yarn up, take the working yarn up and hold this circle in your thumb and index finger. Now chain 1. I'm working with double crochet, so I will chain 3. This chain 3 will count as the first double crochet of this round. I will make one more double crochet, yarn over, go inside the ring, yarn over, bring up the yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the second loop. Now chain 1, make 2 double crochet again, yarn over, bring up the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, bring up the yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through the next 2. Chain 1. Again 2 double crochet and chain 1. We have to make 8 sets of 2 double crochets. Chain 1, chain 1, then 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, chain 1, five, chain 1, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, chain 1, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 sets of 2 double crochet. Now chain 1 before making the slip stitch. Close this magic ring by pulling the yarn. You can just cut off the extra yarn. Slip stitch to complete the first round. Make a slip stitch and come to this chain 1 space. Now we will start the second round from the chain 1 space. So chain 3. This counts as the first double crochet of this round. Double crochet, chain 3, 2 more double crochet in the same space. One and 2. We have chain 3, 1 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet. Now move to the next chain 1 space and make 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochets. 1, 2, chain 3, again 2 more double crochets into the same space. Moving on to the next chain 1 space. Chain 3, 2 double crochet in the same space. Moving on to the next chain space. So I will make a total of 8 sets of 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet. I will meet you at the end. I have completed the second round. Now I will just make a slip stitch over here into the first chain. Chain 1 and cut the yarn and pull through. For the third round I have made a slip stitch and I'm going to insert the hook into the same space where I have done the slip stitch. Take the slip knot on the hook, pull up the yarn, chain 1. Now we have to make one single crochet in the same space. Into this chain 3 space I will be making 10 double crochets in the same space. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I have made 10 double crochet in the chain 3 space. Next I have to make a single crochet over here between these stitches. Again into the next chain 3 space 10 double crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Between these double crochet stitches I have to make a single crochet. I will repeat this across the round and I should have 8 sets of 10 double crochets each, separated by one single crochet in the middle. I have completed all the 8 sets of 10 double crochets. Now I will make a slip stitch into this first single crochet that I did. Chain 1, cut the yarn. For the final round I will start by making slip stitch. Take the yarn, make a slip knot, and now just insert the hook in any of these chain spaces over here. Take the slip knot on the hook, pull up the yarn. Now go into the next chain, yarn over, bring up the yarn, go through this chain. Now go to the next chain, bring up the yarn and make a slip stitch. Next chain, bring up the yarn, slip stitch. Go in the next chain, yarn over, bring up the yarn and just go through the chain, make a slip stitch. So you have to make 10 slip stitches over here on top of 10 double crochets and one more slip stitch in the single crochet space. I have completed all the slip stitches. Now I will just make a slip stitch over here into the first chain that I did. Chain 1, close this in half, now make a slip stitch in the middle, yarn over, bring up the yarn and slip stitch. 3, 4 and 5. Now chain 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After making 10 chains, I will start making slip stitch from the second chain from the hook. So you have to make 9 slip stitches. Again make 10 chains. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Start making slip stitch from the second chain. Eight and 9. Now make a slip stitch in the middle again. Now make a slip stitch over here in the middle. And secure this yarn end. So quick and easy crochet butterfly is ready. You can use this as a back charm, as a keychain, and even you can use this as a hair clip. So do try this and let me know in the comment section how was the tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you again in the next tutorial. Bye.